Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, follow me to learn how you can write the Chinese character 很 in cursive. Now let's get started. 很 很 It is a verb of degree, means very or quite. Check the following sentences. First one, she treats me very well.她对我很好。她对我很好。她对我很好。She treats me very well. 她对我很好。Here's another example. Thank you very much. Very much. 很感谢你。很感谢你。Thank you very much. 很感谢你。So you can write 很 in cursive like this. 很很 very quite. She treats me very well. 她对我很好。她对我很好。她对我很好。Thank you very much. 很感谢你。很感谢你。Thank you very much. Okay, I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.